Hey YouTubers, Mike Bortz with the Mike Bortz channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, step-by-step process on how to conveniently install cabinet door knobs. Let's go out to the kitchen and get started. All right, YouTubers, inside the kitchen now, and this whole project will go very quickly and very efficiently and very friendly as long as you have this precision alignment guide or jig. Go ahead and open it up, and just a bunch of holes, a bunch of measurements, and depending on what you're using this for, in our case, knobs, will depend on what holes we use. In the event that you're using this for pulls, you will use different holes. I'm going to show you how awesome this actual tool is. So come on in here. These are the actual cabinet doors that we are going to be installing knobs on, and check out the actual shape of this. All we're going to do is apply it right there. Don't apply too much pressure because this is thin plastic and it might throw off your actual marking. Grab a pencil. Again, you'll notice the actual edging here. Align it here. In our case, we like hole number 3 down here. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to make our mark. All you have to do is flip it out over to the opposite side just like that. Again, do not apply too much pressure. 1, 2, 3. There's our mark. Grab your drill bit. 11/64 is the standard bit for the actual hardware for most knobs. Here's our mark. Center the drill bit in the mark. Apply pressure to the bit to try to imprint it into the wood first, and then just slowly drill. And over to the opposite one. As center as possible. It's also very important to know prior to actually doing this, make sure you push everything back or just remove everything from the inside of the cabinet. Insert the screw or hardware. It's got the thread. On the back side of the knob is the hole, and just align it properly and just screw it in. Once it's pretty hand tight, grab your Phillips screwdriver and tighten it even more. Do the exact same thing for the opposite door. A little bit of shavings back there, I'll just remove those. As you can see, that just took no time at all, very friendly, and it's all because of that jig or precision guide. I think we paid, well, I've got the thing here. We paid $6.49, probably $7 after tax for this little tool or jig here. And that's it. All right, YouTubers, behind the camera now, and we are going to install or continue throughout the entire kitchen and install knobs on all of the doors. However, the long drawers, we are not going to install knobs, we are going to install pulls. There is a very, very convenient and friendly calculation that will allow you to pinpoint the center holes for a pull, and that will alleviate you having to go out and buy one of those really big bulky jigs that you probably won't use ever again, and it'll just take up space. So what I'll do is I'll show you one here. This is the pull we installed using that calculation without a jig. So definitely check out the video scrolling above. It will show you how to do this. That's it, YouTubers. As you can see, a very friendly DIY project as long as you have the right tools. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That would be awesome. Thanks again for watching.